Good morning class. As you know beta, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 2.2 up to question number 6. Now we will solve the remaining question. So the question number 7th. Find the area of a square shaped field having sides of 21 raised 2 by 3 meter. In this question beta, we have to calculate the area of a field whose shape is square type, okay, and side is given equal to 21 raised by 2 by 3 meter, okay. So side of field is equal to 21 raised 2 by 3 meter, and when we solve this mixed fraction, this will become equal to a improper fraction, and this is equal to 65 by 3 meter, okay. Now what we have to do, we have to find the area, and we know that area of a square is equal to side multiplied by side. So put the value of side, we have area equal to 65 by 3 multiplied by 65 by 3, okay. Both are fraction, and we know that multiplication in fraction done from numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So after solving multiplication, this will be equal to 65 multiplied by 65 by 9, and multiplication of 65 to 65 is equal to 4225 and by 9. So this is the area, meter square, okay. This is the required area, and this is a improper fraction. Again we can change this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing, okay. 4225 when divided by 9, then quotient is equal to 469 and remainder is equal to 4. So the mixed fraction of this number is 469 raised 4 by 9 meter square. So this is required area of the given field beta, okay. This is what? This is equal to area of field, okay. So this is the solution of your question number 7th. This is the solution of your question number 7th, and this is your required area, okay. 469 raised 4 by 9 meter square. Now we will do the next question, and that is question number 8. So the question number 8 is, an athlete runs 2 raised 3 by 7 kilometer in an hour or in 1 hour beta. How much distance does he cover in 2 raised 4 by 5 hour? In this question we have given that an athlete travel 2 raised 3 by 7 kilometer distance in 1 hour, okay, and we have to calculate the distance traveled by the athlete in 2 raised 4 by 5 hours, okay. Now tell me beta, if you have a pencil whose rate is 2 rupees, okay, then you have to buy such 5 pencil, okay. So the rate of 5 pencil is equal to 10, and how can we calculate this? By multiplying one pencil rate to the number of pencil, okay. In the same manner, if we have amount of distance traveled in 1 hour, and we have to calculate the amount of distance traveled by athlete more than 1 hour, so simply what we have to do? Simply we have to multiply in that case, okay. Clear? So distance traveled in 1 hour is equal to 2 raised 3 by 7 kilometer. Again this is a mixed fraction, so we can change this into a improper fraction, and this is equal to 17 by 7 kilometer. Now distance traveled in 2 raised 4 by 5 hour, this is equal to 17 by 7 multiply by 2 raised 4 by 5. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to solve this multiplication. This is equal to 17 by 7. This is also a mixed fraction. We can change this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and that is equal to 14 by 5. Okay. Now we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So the multiplication is 17 multiplied by 14 by 7 multiplied by 5. 7 is the common factor between 7 and 14. So 7 will become 1 and 14 will become 2 after cancelling the common factor. And the result is equal to 34 by 5 kilometer. And if we want to change this into mixed fraction, what we have to do? We have to divide 34 by 5, and quotient is 6 and remainder is 4. So this is equal to 6 raised 4 by 5 kilometer, and this is the answer of your 8th question, beta. Okay, so this is the solution of your 8th question, exercise 2.2. Okay, now we will do our question number 9th, beta. Look at the question number 9th. In a school, 7 by 12 of students are boys, okay, and the rest are girls. In this question we have given, beta, the 7 by 12 of total students is equal to boys and remaining are girls. If the number of students in the school are 4632, then find the number of girls and number of boys. Okay, for this, beta, total students is equal to 4632 and number of boys is equal to 7 by 12 of this, 7 by 12 of 4632, and we know that how can we solve this 7 by 12 of 4632? By multiplying 7 by 12 to 4632. Okay, now beta, from here we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So this is equal to 4632 by 12. Okay, and multiply by 7 to the result. So 12 is the highest common factor between 4632 and 12. So 12 will become 1, and after cancelling the common factor, 4632 will be equal to 386. So the result is equal to 386 multiplied by 7, and this multiplication is equal to, beta, 2702. It means, beta, number of boys in the school is equal to 2702. Now tell me, we have calculated the number of boys in the school. So if we want to find the number of girls in the school, we just have to simply subtract the number of boys from the total students. So the number of girls is equal to 4632 minus 2702. And when you subtract this number of boys from the total number of students, you will get the number of girls in the school, and that is equal to 1930. So this is the number of boys in the school and this is the number of girls in the school, and this is the required answer of your question, and this is the solution of your question number 9th, beta. I hope you will get it. Now we will do the next question, and that is your last question, question number 10th. In the question number 10th, you have given, beta, in a grade 7, 3 by 7 of students like to play football, 2 by 5 students like to play cricket, and the rest of the students like to play basketball. Okay, so if total number of students in 7th grade is equal to 70, then you have to answer the following question. In the first part, what you have to count? Number of students who like football. Total students are 70 and students who like football is equal to 3 by 7 of 70, and this is equal to 3 by 7 multiplied by 70. Okay, and when you solve this multiplication, this is equal to 3 multiplied by 70 by 7, and 7 is the highest common factor between 7 and 70, and the result is equal to 30. This is the required answer of your A part of question number 10th. In the same manner you have to do the B part beta and also C part. ठीक है? So try to do the B, C, D, E part of this question, and if you have any query in this question, we will take that query in the live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.